Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set or insert building icons in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to any Microsoft Word file. So here in this file I have opened it before. So insert option, click here the icons. Here the buildings icons is been here. See, lots of building icons is here. So click one, see, insert one, click two, multiple things we will select and we will insert, we will mark 4 and insert, press, then it will come 4. See, the 4th thing has been appeared. So here we can do these things, small size as well as the big size, triangular, moving any kinds of point. Here we also, if we press this, see in this way we can do lots of things. So also we can graphics format, that means we will do graphics things. So click here and fill graphics field. See, the entire thing has been filled with the color of red. So here if we wanna do the what color, the outline. So in this outline has been color, what kinds of color, press black. And also outline we can increase or decrease the outline as well as the weighted sign, weighted. See, when we press the 6pp, this system has been appear in this way. Here also this. So in this way we can decorate it in this icons. Here also we can do the graphics effect. So how? See, in this way, see, lots of options has been embedded in the system. In the system means the Microsoft Word. So here which have been by default in this software, perspective way, reflection, we can see the reflection way, glow. See, the glow sign has been, lots of way has been appeared. That the soft edge, see the soft edge, the bevel. See the three. Now the last one is 3D rotation. In this way we will appear, we will declare, we will insert this building icons. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.